Hi, I've got my home designer trial version open and a base cabinet there. I'm going to click on it and open the dialog box. And I'm going to remove the countertop. It's unchecked countertop. Now there's no countertop. I'm going to click here on this. I'm going to make it an opening. Where it's opening. There it is. So we're almost there. And then I'm going to open the dialog box one more time and go to the front tab and click on that piece to select it, left click and delete. And there you are. That's how Eric did that. I didn't do that. Eric did that, but it's pretty simple and straightforward. So I thought I'd just show you. And then you stick the sink in there. If you need to adjust the height of this door, then you can accommodate the sink. Again, that would be in the dialog box. Click here to get to this front tab. And then there's a height setting here on the door to make it taller or skinnier. Okay, that's about it. Hope this helps you.